Welcome back to Bike Buzz, your go-to channel for the latest updates in the motorcycle world. Today we're diving into the 2025 Honda Rebel 500, a bike that's redefining the lightweight cruiser segment. Whether you're a beginner rider or a seasoned cruiser enthusiast, this machine might just be the perfect fit for your next ride. Overview of the 2025 Honda Rebel 500. The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 continues its legacy as one of the most accessible and stylish cruisers on the market. Known for its minimalist design and approachable performance, the Rebel 500 is ideal for riders seeking comfort, control, and customizability. Honda's updates this year aim to enhance both its aesthetics and functionality. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Rebel 500 is its reliable 471X parallel twin engine, offering smooth power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. The engine is Euro 5 compliant, ensuring lower emissions while maintaining the punchy mid-range torque that riders love. With its 6-speed transmission and slipper clutch, gear shifts are seamless, making it perfect for city commutes and open highways alike. Comfort and handling. The low seat height of just 27.2 inches remains a key feature, making the Rebel 500 welcoming for shorter riders while providing a relaxed riding posture. Honda has fine-tuned the suspension for 2025, delivering improved ride quality on uneven roads. The lightweight chassis ensures agile handling, making it easy to maneuver in traffic or on winding roads. New features for 2025. The 2025 Rebel 500 introduces subtle yet impactful updates, including LED lighting all around for better visibility and a more modern look. The upgraded digital LCD display now includes a gear position indicator, adding convenience for new riders. Honda has also introduced new color options, offering more ways to personalize your ride. Why choose the Rebel 500? The Honda Rebel 500 strikes the perfect balance between performance, comfort, and affordability. It's a bike that caters to both new and experienced riders while offering plenty of opportunities for customization. Its timeless cruiser styling, combined with modern tech, makes it a standout choice in the sub-500cc category. Conclusion. Final thoughts on the 2025 Honda Rebel 500. The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 proves that Honda continues to listen to riders' needs, delivering a bike that's practical, stylish, and enjoyable. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a reliable cruiser, this bike deserves your attention. Thanks for tuning into Bike Buzz. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.